Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have understand the data type supported in Rust language, and in this video class number 7 we are going to understand the difference between statement versus expression. I told in the first lecture also that Rust is a low level expression oriented language. Means each and everything which we write in Rust it's an expression. Now what is the difference between statement and expression? We understand with the help of example. So we go to this package VS Code and here we create a new project. So I say cargo new, I say class number 7 state and expression like this. So create this project application and we go to this class number 7 like this. Then I close it and once again I open the main file of this class 7 project. Here remember that any line which we end with semicolon is called a statement. For example, I say let num equal to 10 and I put here semicolon. That means it's a statement. Here also it's a statement. Remember, if I print the value of this, I say value of num equal to, and here I say num. Remember, so we have a semicolon. It's a statement. I run it, cargo run and build, and it's a statement. Remember, but if I write like this, I say let and I say num1 and I declare it as a integer type. I say 32-bit. Then I say num1 equal to num multiply by 100 plus 10 like this. If I do, remember, so this one is expression, and in Rust statement may contain expression because this will calculate and it will display result here and it will pass to num1. So expression does not pass the result. Remember that expression does not evaluate anything and it not pass the result. It not return the value. Statement is simple one. It just it execute it. It does not return a value. If something is returning here, suppose it calculating and returning. So this portion is called expression in Rust. So if I do here print of this and I say num1 here, I say num1 here and I save this and I run it once again, and you will see that we are just calculating this and this portion is expression. Expression is always written and expression may be a part of a statement, remember, and it may be without a semicolon. But remember, statement always have a semicolon, but expression does not have a semicolon. So this portion is not having a semicolon, but it is inside a statement. That's why we are putting a semicolon. Now you can understand better with this example. Suppose I create one more variable and I say data equal to, and I create here this curly bracket, the block. In this block I create one more variable. I say mute variable and I say the value of this variable, I say num2 equal to 100. Remember, now I say num2 plus I say 200. Remember, and I am not putting here semicolon. So this I am putting here semicolon and declaring a variable num2. So this num2 is a expression. So no need to put here mute also because I am not changing a value of num2. I am just adding some value in num2 200. So 300 will come here. Remember that this expression is always return. Remember, this will return to data. Now I display this. I say print like this and I put here the value of data equal to, here I put data, and remember that you will have 300 here because of the expression. So what is this semicolon? Okay, here I have to put semicolon because it's closing a bracket. Then once again I run it and you will see that we have a 300 value here. Remember, I am not putting here semicolon. I am putting semicolon here, but if I put semicolon here, then it would not be returned to this. Remember, it would not be returned. It will generate, you see, it error because you are not returning any value to this particular data variable because it's a statement. So statement does not return anything, only expression returns. So I have to remove this. So this will become expression and it will go to this and we will have the value here. So once again I just run it and you see that we have a 300 here because it's an expression. So remember that statement have semicolon, statement does not return any value, only expression return a value like this, and expression may be a part of a statement like this, because it's a statement but it have a little bit of part of this portion is called expression because it returning a value. So if anything is returning a value in Rust, that is called expression, otherwise it's a statement. So we can write expression individually like this, and we can write a statement like this. That is the difference between statement and expression in Rust. If you understand it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.